Hello, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to improve your English, listen stories carefully and repeat it. Today, I will share with you a very short story about mom's daily routine. The sun peeked through the curtains as mom quietly slipped out of bed at 6 a.m. She tiptoed to the kitchen, a few peaceful moments with her coffee before the house woke up. She makes breakfast, gets the kids ready for school. She was already packing lunch boxes and flipping pancakes and sends them off with hugs and lunch boxes. By 8 a.m., everyone was out the door and the house fell silent once more. But rest wasn't in sight. Laundry waited, dishes piled up, and filled her morning. Cleaning, laundry, and grocery shopping, time flies. By afternoon, she's back in the kitchen, preparing snacks. As evening comes, mom cooks dinner, sets the table, and gathers the family to eat. Afterward, she tidies up, gives the kids their baths, and reads them bedtime stories. After baths and bedtime stories, the kids were tucked in by 8:30 p.m. Mom sits down with a smile. Tired, yes, but happy, because in all the busy moments, her love fills the home. Thank you for listening. If you like my video and story, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, share with others. Thank you for watching.